Hi everyone, welcome to Ingrid Joy Aromas. Glad you came back to watch all my videos. Please subscribe, guys, because I know that a lot of people have been watching my videos but they're not subscribing. I'll appreciate if you guys are subscribing. So today I want to show you guys how I make a quick and easy lotion for your bag. So you need some unscented lotion, and you need some rose essential oil, and you can also go ahead and use any essential oil you like. It's not like you have to make it like I do, but you go ahead and also you don't have to put a little, or you can put more if you want, but I put 5 drops in this one because rose is very strong. So go ahead and use any oil that you wanted. So I use this one, and I also make one last week because I like I use different bags, so I like to drop different ones in my bag, and I use lavender in that one. So these are the things that you need. You need a jar, you need a stick to stir, or a spoon, whatever you have on hand. You need unscented lotion, and you need some rose essential oil, and give it a good stir, and you're ready to go. Just make sure you use unscented lotion, because if you use lotion that are scented, it is not going to work as well. And you don't have to make it exact way how I make it. You can put in the lotion first, and then you can go ahead and put the essential oil after. Yeah, so just give it a good stir. And this smells so good because rose is also good for the body. It's also good for the face. It's good for the skin overall. Smells so good, this rose.